Hello and welcome to another R&DW Adventures. I'm Renee.
And I'm Darryl. Today we've got the bonsai tree from Lego. Kit number 10281, which is the Botanical collection.
Very cool. I like this new collection.
So we saw this at the local Legoland gift shop and just had to try it because it is so cool looking. But one of the coolest things, it has the blossoms and it has the green.
It's really cool because when we first got it, we're like, why is there a limit of 2? We didn't understand.
Yeah.
And then when we put the box on the counter, we saw this side and we're like, oh, I get it.
And then we went back for a second one.
Exactly.
So we're going to build 2 today. Mm-hmm. So it's going to be kind of interesting because we're going to see how quickly we can build the second one, right. I guess, after we've already built the first one.
Right, and the best thing about this bonsai?
No water.
No water.
No light, and it doesn't die.
Exactly.
We don't have very good luck with bonsais.
No, we tried. Didn't work out so much. So I guess this is the part we can save for later.
Well, this is bag number 5.
Right.
This is number 6.
This is number 4.
1, 2, 3. Ooh,
some random
couple of weird wiggly things.
They go here.
And
so I'm thinking
they
bag number
have
5.
the manual in a bag on its own.
Weird. Okay. So I'm thinking bag number 5 we don't need until we're doing the pink blossoms.
I think number 4 is the summer blossoms, or the leaves rather, not the blossoms.
Right.
And I think 5 is the blossoms, so we can probably take our pick and leave one of those still back. Right.
So which one do you want to do first, the leaves?
Yeah, I want to do the leaves first, kind of your traditional. This is a weird manual. Now we have to build the pot.
Okay. It's actually a really nice looking
pot. And now we move on to bag 2.
We need those 2 weird things.
And now, on to bag
number 3.
Oh, literally all we're doing
is dumping them.
Okay.
I mean, we could put some down, but they're really just going in.
Okay. And now we want bag 4.
We need more green flowers, I think. Oh, we just do the pink instead of this?
Yeah. So we're going to repeat this next time.
I like it.
Well, we're not done yet.
I know, but I mean, I like the tree.
Yeah.
It needs a little more green. I think a little more leaves.
I think so too, but we'll steal those from the next kit, I think.
Right. That's a good idea.
Alright, so there we go. I think what we want to do though is grab some of the green leafy bits off the other set once we're done.
I agree.
Because this
It looks kind of
looks
bare.
a little bit bare, and we probably need to
Move them around a little.
play a little bit more. But that's
Yeah.
basically what it looks like. I like the pebbles. That's kind of
I
funny.
do like the pebbles.
But
and I
I
really
wish-
love the base.
Yeah, the base is very cool. I wish that the tree actually locked in a little bit better. The tree itself
Yeah, it's kind of...
doesn't really lock as well as I'd like. But it is a very, very cool
It is.
tree,
It is a really cool tree.
and a lot kind of bigger than I was expecting when it's on the base.
Oh, I expected the tree to be taller.
I did expect the tree to be a little taller, but I didn't expect the base to be
As big.
as big as the planter.
Right.
So, it's awesome. I like
yeah.
it. But we'll move that one out of the way. We'll use the same book again.
Yeah.
Because why?
Why open another one?
Yeah. And
Second bonsai. Bonsai. And then rocks. Pebbles. Pebbles.
all right. And the last stage is the pebbles. Because we shifted this around this time, and I went and
That's what happens with real pebbles anyway.
Well, and they have them in the two different bags so that you can put that one on the top.
There's
And
one
get the
straight over here.
oop, right there. Okay. Pebbles are so funny. I kind of want to actually go and make sure that only the flat tops are up.
I know.
This is why they tell you to do it before the leaves go on. Wow. All right. So there we go. We've got our 2 trees.
Bonsai, bonsai.
Bonsai!
We should go and add more leaves and more flowers, I think.
Yeah. Well, and what's funny is these
Have more frogs.
are frogs. They're pink frogs. So there's apparently
Kinda
poisonous
weird.
dart frogs
In bonsai trees.
all over the bonsai
Well, there's
tree.
one green one in here.
There's at
Or
least
2.
one brown one.
A brown one, rather. Yeah, that's the only one in there. He's a lonely frog.
Yeah.
Or is he
He's
a
right
toad?
there. He's right there. He's a toad. But those are
It's covered in frogs. It's so weird.
they're pink.
Pink frogs. I mean, they're definitely frogs.
Yeah.
They're really
I love
weird.
them. I love them. They're silly, but I'm not sure. You know, it's like I think those are supposed to be the buds,
But they
but they're
look like
clearly
frogs.
frogs.
They have eyeballs and legs and everything. That's so
It's-
strange.
It's awesome. I love it.
I do, but I'm like, they're really frogs.
But I do like
They even
the
have little smiles.
blossoming one better than the
I do too.
green one. However, I think the green one would be better once we put more of the leaves and green
Flowers.
blossoms on it.
I agree. But I really like these.
Yeah, I think they came out pretty well.
Mm-hmm.
I was expecting them to look cooler from the photos on the box, but
Well, it does if you look at it
yeah,
not
the
real
video
close up. It looks really good.
yeah, it looks better on the video than it does
And I
in
think
person.
it's really
I think.
because as much as I like them, it's frogs, not
Well,
blossoms.
and this one's missing so many of the blossoms, really,
right.
that it looks a little barren.
It's true.
So, I like them.
I
Don't get me
do.
wrong. I think they're pretty awesome.
They're
yeah.
fun.
See, here's the brown
Oh yeah.
frog there. Here's the brown frog there.
It's really weird.
They're pretty cool.
It is.
But for $50, it's a fun kit. I especially like the bases.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know where these are going to go, but they're going
With
to.
our, in the middle of all our flowers.
I think
or
so.
Plants.
They're going to go with the plants. You know, probably like in the back.
Mm-hmm.
That way, you know.
We don't
they're not
water them
getting
by
the-
accident.
Well, and they're not getting the light.
Oh, because
So
they don't need it.
right. It's pretty awesome.
These
All
frogs
right.
just crack me up, though.
I know. All right, so hit the subscribe button over there so that you can get more notifications of videos when we go live, when we post new ones. And then over here is going to be a link to the playlist of all of the brick builds just like this.